Okay, we have to talk about this a little bit. The self-leveling floor mass is not 100% even. That's why we also did a second coat. The first one we messed up completely, and the second one we did a better job, but it is still not perfect. The floor has cracked as well. I don't think that this was the right decision. I think we should have just taken out the parquet that was underneath, filled up the insulation or replaced it entirely, and then put in new floorboards. So now I'm not 100% sure what to do. If I should take the entire floor out and level it with floorboards and maybe put on new beams on the old beams to have it 100% level. That's what I did upstairs, and that's turned out pretty good. But it's a lot more work and it's a lot more expensive as well. I'm a perfectionist, and I know if I put in the click vinyl now and it will start to crackle, which it does in the office, which is a topic for another day, then it will drive me crazy. I can get hung up on such things so much, it drives me crazy. So actually, let's talk about the office floor as well. Here, I kept the original floor. Looking back, I should have sanded it because the wood is not 100% straight. It's like 10 centimeter boards that run across like this. And the problem here is that if you walk into this room, it crackles. So these click vinyl joints, because this is not 100% flat, they move and they make noise when you walk on them. And that as well drives me completely crazy. I'm not sure what to do. If this wasn't a fireplace room, I would probably take out the floor and put in carpet. But then there's always the chance with the fireplace here that I burn it in some areas, even though I'm gonna put a metal plate in front of it eventually. And it's a shame because this floor is already in here, so I have to take it out again, come up with a solution and put it back in. That means I have to remove all the lists all around, of course, get everything out of this room. But this is just something I cannot live with. Again, it just drives me crazy. And another problem you have in this room is that from this end to that end, you have like a height difference of at least 5 centimeters. So this room goes upwards. So you couldn't fix that with Flitzbuckle, like the self-leveling floor mass either, or at least not properly, as I now know from the other room. So these are the most critical things in the house right now. It's the floors. And then, the more I think about this, it drags my mood down. I want it to be fixed. I want it to be done properly. But then again, I'm not a carpenter. So it's a lot of live and learn that's going on here. And when I'm thinking about those things, I start to see all the problems everywhere in the house. It might be small gaps that happen on the lists, things like that. Because the house moves, the foundation of the house is wooden, so that is to be expected. But then I start to just see only problems, and that drives me nuts. Then I want to just burn the house down or sell it or something. Yeah. This is still something I have to get used to, like learning to accept mistakes, learn from them, do them better next time. But yeah, it's easier said than done. this hike felt really, really good. Even though it was just 30 minutes or so. The days are getting a little longer. You can feel it day by day. It is 3:30 right now and it is still light out here. So today it is minus 17 degrees, but it doesn't feel that cold. It is still manageable. We have a weather warning for tomorrow and the day after. It's supposed to snow roughly 50 centimeters, which is quite a lot. So I stocked up on supplies. I won't go anywhere the next 2 days, at least. And just stay and work inside.